Well, hi, Gobo.
Hi, Danielle.
How are you?
Fine.
You're fine?
Yeah. And you?
I'm fine, too. Gobo,
Yeah.
what are you doing?
Well, my stomach's making noise.
It's making noise?
Yeah.
Like what kind of noise?
Like,
Oh, that must mean that you're hungry.
hungry?
Yes, it must mean that you're hungry. Do you want a snack?
A snack. Yeah. That's a good idea. I want a snack.
Okay, let's get you one. Well, hey, Gobo, we're back.
Yeah. It's snack time at the table.
Yes. And what are you going to eat today?
I'm gonna have some fruit and, something sweet too.
Okay, let's see. What are you going to start with?
I'm gonna have a banana.
Okay, there's the banana.
Yep.
And what else?
Then I'm gonna have an apple.
An apple.
And then I'm gonna have a few cinnamon rolls.
A few cinnamon rolls. Ooh, I see, yeah. There's some miniature cinnamon rolls there. I see them. They look good. And are you going to drink anything?
Yes, I'm gonna have some water over there.
Water. Okay, good choice. We'll have a nice snack time, Gobo.
I will, Danielle. Bye.
Bye.